Do you want to understand real English conversations without subtitles?
Would you like to learn how native speakers talk about travel and weekend plans?
Today, you will listen to a simple and natural English conversation about planning a weekend trip.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's conversation is about planning a weekend trip with friends.
You will learn useful English expressions for talking about travel, transportation, hotels, activities, and making plans.
Let's get started. Hi, Paul. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing well. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Actually, yes. My friends and I are thinking about taking a short trip.
That sounds exciting. Where do you want to go?
We're not sure yet.
Do you want to visit the beach or the mountains?
Both sound nice, but I think the beach would be more relaxing.
I agree. The beach is perfect for a weekend trip.
Exactly. We want to relax and have fun.
How many people are going?
There will be 4 of us.
That's a good group size.
Yes, traveling with friends is always fun.
When are you planning to leave?
Early Saturday morning.
And when will you come back?
Sunday evening.
A 2-day trip sounds perfect.
That's what we thought too.
Have you booked anything yet?
Not yet. We're still discussing the details.
You should book soon,
You're right. Hotels can fill up quickly.
especially during weekends.
Exactly.
How are you planning to travel?
We're considering a few options.
Like what?
Driving, taking a bus, or going by train.
Which one do you prefer?
I prefer driving
Why?
because it's more flexible.
That's true.
We can stop whenever we want.
And you can enjoy the scenery.
Exactly.
How long is the drive?
About 3 hours.
That's not bad at all.
No, it's quite reasonable.
Who will drive?
I will drive part of the way, and my friend will drive too.
Good idea. Sharing the driving is safer.
Yes, especially on longer trips.
What if the weather is bad?
That's a good question.
Have you checked the forecast?
Not yet.
You should check before you leave.
Definitely.
I always check the weather before traveling.
Me too. It helps me prepare.
Do you enjoy road trips?
Absolutely. I love listening to music while driving.
Me too.
Road trips are always memorable.
Especially with good friends.
Exactly.
Have you found a hotel yet?
We've looked at several hotels online.
Did you find a good one?
I think so.
Tell me about it.
It's close to the beach.
That's convenient.
Yes, and the rooms look clean.
That's important.
The hotel also has free breakfast.
Nice. I love hotels with breakfast included.
Me too. It saves money.
How much does it cost?
Around $80 per night.
That sounds reasonable.
I think so too.
Did you read the reviews?
Yes, most of them were positive.
That's always a good sign.
Exactly.
Are you booking 1 room or 2?
We're booking 2 rooms.
That makes sense.
Everyone will be more comfortable.
Comfort is important during a trip.
I completely agree.
What are you planning to do there?
We have a lot of ideas.
Like what?
Swimming, walking on the beach, and taking photos.
That sounds wonderful.
I also want to watch the sunrise.
Really?
Yes, I've always loved sunrises.
You'll need to wake up early.
I know, but it's worth it.
I agree.
We also want to try local seafood.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
I'm already excited.
I can tell.
What would you do at the beach?
I'd sit under an umbrella and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is.
Maybe I'll bring a book too.
Good idea.
And maybe a camera.
Definitely bring a camera.
I don't want to forget the memories.
Exactly. Photos help us remember special moments. What will you do after you return home?
Probably rest.
That's understandable.
Traveling is fun, but it can be tiring.
Very true.
I'll also organize my photos.
And share them with your friends?
Of course.
I'm sure you'll have lots of great pictures.
I hope so.
This trip sounds amazing.
I'm really looking forward to it.
I hope the weather is perfect.
Me too.
Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you.
And don't forget to tell me all about it when you come back.
I won't forget.
Great.
Thanks for helping me think through the plans.
Anytime. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for planning a weekend trip.
Keep practicing your listening and speaking every day.
The more you listen, the more confident you will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson with your friends.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.